Okay guys, what we're looking at is a 3-head mini split system. The condenser is going to go right here. I measured out for copper and cover line, if that's what we're going to do. He'd like to run it all up through the soffit, which is exposed here. We're going to need 70 feet of copper. And it's going to run all the way through here. Again, we'll run it through the soffit on the bottom, on the overhang here, all the way to this side. And it's going to go on this wall just past the window on the opposite side, obviously.